Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You have up anybody in your heart? How much time Jesus did tell him special follower them say them fi pardon somebody we do them something? Hmm? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you see, if you're not subscribed yet, now at the best time. If you click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 18 from verse 21 to verse 35. Then Peter come say to him, say, Lord, how much time if you pardon my brother or sister we do me something? All a 7 times? Jesus said to him, say, not even 7 times me I go tell you, but all a 70 times 7. Me I tell you that, cause at this God kingdom come in like. It come in like one king where did want check off how much all his servant them did owe him. When the king did it, a check off, them bring one man come we owe him how much million. No, cause the servant couldn't pay it back. The king ordered them to sell him and sell him wife and pitney too. Plus all we own, so him could have get back him money. The servant dropped on him knee in front of the king and beg him, do take time with me, sir. Give me some time and me will pay back everything. The king feels sorry for him and make him go on. And all when did owe, the king say enough to pay back nothing again. After him going now, that said servant there, see one next servant, we owe him one little bit of money when you think about how much him did owe the king. The servant grabbed the nether one throat and start choke out in daylight. Him say, give me the money where you owe me. Nether one, we are one servant, just like him, drop on his knee and beg him, do take time with me. Give me some time and me will pay back all of what me owe you. But him name take that. Him say no. And go fling the nether servant in a prison till him pay him back everything. When other servant like him see what happen, them begs bad and go tell the king everything. So the king called the first servant and said to him, say, you wicked servant, you. Me pardon you how much million, cause you beg me. You mean say you couldn't take pity upon somebody we a servant just like you, the same way how me take pity upon you? And the king get vexed and give him to the prison guard them, for them torment him till him pay back every red cent when did owe the king. As same so, my Father in heaven, we do know if you no hold up your brother or sister them in your heart and no pardon them. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.